Hello, this is Mark LeBlanc, and this is a do-it-yourself video. On this video, I'm going to show you a very simple troubleshooting step that will, if you're patient, will solve 80% of your problems. Most of the time I find that patience is an issue when dealing with these electronics, and they are a pain, but I always say if they weren't, I wouldn't have a job. So this is what you do. So you unplug your router and you unplug your modem. Now you let this power down for about 30 seconds, 15-30 seconds. You still with the router unplugged, you plug in your modem. Well, after that is completely fired up, you have all the lights that I just showed you. You plug in your router, and that right there is what will save you so much headache. I see it time and time again. People just don't have the patience to let the processes finish and they freak out. So do not freak out. Try that. That'll solve 80% of your problems.